Hello and welcome back to part 2 of how to take control in these chaotic and turbulent times. So last time we have talked about organization of your pantry, schedule your routines. So today we're going to talk about how to organize your shopping list and have that discipline and not go beyond what you really need. In your shopping list, it should be the things that you need just for, say, for example, this week. So think about the purpose of your shopping today. You're going to shop for your breakfast, lunch, and dinner, maybe some snacks, right? And some of the essential household items. If you already have a pretty well-stocked pantry, then you don't have to worry about those dried goods and the staples. We're just going to concentrate on the fresh produce that you're going to use in your daily cooking. So don't buy bulk unless you are going to cook for not just your family, maybe the community, for people that in need of some help in these difficult times. Alright? So think about getting some oatmeal to make some beautiful porridge in the morning, throwing in some dried fruit or some frozen fruits like the frozen berries or frozen raspberry or strawberries or mangoes, that you can add a little bit of oomph in that, right? Add some nutrient in that. Add some chia seed or nuts and some fresh cut banana to go with the porridge. That will be a pretty wholesome, yummy breakfast, don't you think? And you can actually stagger that too. Every day you have different kind of breakfast. Next day you can do some smoothie with beautiful plant-based milk like almond milk. You can do it at home too. You're going to spend a lot of time at home now. Snacking is unavoidable, but just remember not to include the fatty, sugary, salty chips in your shopping list. Instead, buy some ingredients that you can make really easy raw food snacks, or make some healthy protein balls that you can do at home, even involve your children to do it. It's quite simple. There are so many recipes online that you can source from, and just pick the one that you really like to try. Okay? In principle, just stick to your routine and only buy the things that you need or anything that you want to help your communities, your neighbors with. Alright? No more naughty foods. So, until next time, be well, be happy. This is Missy Glenn.